Welcome back, everybody, for today's puzzle. Again, we're continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There is a link down in the description, or you can just find it on Amazon if you want to follow along with me. I do make a small commission for many purchases of the book. Alright, so yesterday did not go well. If you saw where I messed up, please leave a comment below. So today we're working on number 46. So let's start with this first column here. We've got 1, 2, we're missing a 3 and a 9. We've got a 3 there. So this is our 9, this is our 3. If we work on this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 there. So this is our 7, this is our 9. For this column, it looks like we're missing a 2 and an 8. We've got an 8 here. So 2 and 8. If we work on this box here, 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4, 7, 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here. So 4 or 7. We've got a 4 here. So 6 or 7. And we've got a 6 here again. So 4, 7. So this is the only box where a 6 can be. We work on this box here, we're missing a 1, a 3, and a 9. We've got a 1 and a 9 here, so this one has to be our 3. We've got a 1 there, so 9 and 1. If we work on this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 6, and 7. So we've got a 5 down here, so this is 6 or 7. We've got no help here, 5, 6, 7, and no help here, 5, 6, 7. Let's see, let's do this column here. We've got 1, we're missing a 2, 5, 7, and 8. Got a 2, 7, 8, so this must be our 5. 2 there, so 7, 8, and 8 there, 2, 7, and here we've got a 7 and an 8, so this must be our 2, which would make this our 7 and our 8. Because of this 5 here, we can cross that out. And since the 5 can't be there or there, it must be here. Let's work on this column. Looks like we're missing a 1, a 3, and an 8. We've got that 8 there. So 1 or 3. We've got a 3 there. So 1 or 8, but no help here, so 1, 3, 8. If we do this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. 2 and 3 there, so this has to be our 6. But no help with the other 2, so 2, 3, 2, 3. Alright, if we look at this row here, we've got that 7 there now. So this is our 4, this is our 7, and we can finish out this row. It looks like we're missing a 2. So if we work on this box, looks like we're missing a 1, a 3, and a 9. We've got a 1 here, so 3 or 9, and the 9 there, so 1 or 3. So the only place our 9 can be in that box is here. Right, let's do this bottom row. 1, 2, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got the 6 there. So 3, 4. We've got a 6 there. 3, 4, and that means our 6 has to be here. If we work on this row, it looks like we're missing 1, 5, 7, 8. We've got the 7 here. So 1, 5, 8. We've got a 1 and 5 and an 8 there, so this has to be our 7. And a 1 and 5 here, so this has to be our 8. So this is our 1, and this is our 5. If we've got the 1 there, that means this is our 3 and our 1, and that means this is our 8. So again, we need a 3 and a 4 for this box. Oh, and we've got the 6 here, so that makes this our 7 and our 6. So finish off this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we work on this row, 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 and a 9 here, so that's our 4, and 9 here, so 7, 9. All right. If we do this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4 and 5. There's a 5 here, so this is our 4, this is our 5. Finish out this box, looks like we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. That 2 makes this our 3, 2. That 3 makes this our 4, 3, 4. So to finish off this box, looks like we're missing 1, 2, 3, and if we just look through here, this is our 2, this is our 3, and that makes this our 1. All right, everybody, thank you for joining me again today, and we will see you tomorrow with the next puzzle.